Hi everyone, welcome back to Ram's explorations into the nature of reality. Today we're diving into signs that you may already be living in the fifth dimension. So let's explore how to recognize if you've already tapped into the fifth dimension, a realm of higher consciousness, unconditional love, and expanded awareness. One key indicator of living in the fifth dimension is experiencing a profound connection to all life forms. This connection is not just a fleeting feeling but a deep, enduring sense of unity that permeates your entire being. You start to see yourself in others, recognizing that we are all threads in the same cosmic tapestry. This connection transcends individual ego and embraces the oneness of creation. It's as if the boundaries that once separated you from others dissolve, revealing a shared essence that binds all living things. Imagine feeling the pulse of life in every leaf, in the flight of a bird, in the gaze of a stranger. Every moment becomes an opportunity to experience the divine in the mundane, to see the sacred in the everyday. This empathy extends to animals, plants, and the planet itself. You begin to understand that every creature, every plant, and even the earth has its own consciousness, its own role in the grand symphony of life. You begin to perceive the interconnected web of existence, the dance of energy that binds us all. This awareness brings a profound sense of peace and belonging as you realize that you are never truly alone. This unity consciousness is a hallmark of the fifth dimension, where separation dissolves and love guides all interactions. Relationships become more harmonious and conflicts are resolved with compassion and understanding. As you cultivate this connection, your heart expands, embracing the beauty and diversity of life. You become a beacon of love and light, inspiring others to awaken to their own divine nature and the interconnectedness of all things. In the fifth dimension, your perception of time may shift. Time as we know it becomes a more malleable concept. The linear progression of seconds, minutes, and hours starts to blur, giving way to a more expansive understanding. The rigid boundaries of past, present, and future dissolve, replaced by a more fluid experience of time. This fluidity allows for a greater sense of freedom, where moments are not confined to a strict sequence but can be experienced in a more interconnected way. You might find yourself less fixated on schedules, more present in each moment. This presence brings a deeper connection to your surroundings and a heightened awareness of the now. The past and future become less of a concern, as the present moment expands to fill your consciousness. The fifth dimension operates outside linear time, existing in a realm of pure potentiality. Here, possibilities are endless, and the constraints of chronological order no longer apply. This opens up new avenues for exploration and growth. Imagine a vast ocean with waves rising and falling, constantly changing yet eternally present. This ocean represents the fluid nature of time in the fifth dimension, where each wave is a moment, unique yet part of a greater whole. This fluidity allows you to tap into deeper creativity and intuition. Without the pressure of time, your mind can wander freely, exploring new ideas and insights. This creative freedom is a hallmark of the fifth dimensional experience. As you awaken to the fifth dimension, you transcend time's limitations, aligning with a more expansive reality. This alignment brings a sense of peace and fulfillment, as you become more attuned to the infinite possibilities that exist beyond the constraints of linear time. In the fifth dimension, your intuition transforms into your trusted compass, guiding you through life. This heightened intuition aligns with your soul's purpose, making choices that resonate with your deepest truth. You might find yourself drawn to certain people or situations because of a deep inner knowing. Trust these impulses. They are messages from your higher self, guiding you towards experiences that nourish your soul. As you listen to and trust your intuition, you'll make decisions with greater clarity and confidence. This connection to the divine helps you navigate life with grace, ease, and synchronicity. Have you found yourself stepping away from the whirlwind of drama that often consumes our lives? In the fifth dimension, you recognize that your energy is precious and choose to invest it wisely. You understand that engaging in negativity depletes your energy and perpetuates suffering. Instead, you approach situations with peace and compassion, offering support without getting entangled in drama. Your presence becomes a healing balm, soothing anxieties and fears. As you raise your vibration, you attract more peaceful and harmonious experiences into your life. The fifth dimension is a realm of heightened manifestation, where thought and reality become closely linked. Have you noticed your dreams and desires materializing with greater speed and ease? In the fifth dimension, your thoughts are seeds planted in the fertile ground of consciousness. Manifestation is about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired outcome. When you are clear about what you want and take inspired action, the universe conspires to bring your desires to fruition. Trust the flow of life, knowing the universe will deliver what is in your highest good. As you awaken to the fifth dimension, you discover a wellspring of peace within that remains undisturbed by external conditions. This inner peace is a state of being, a deep knowing that everything is unfolding in perfect divine order. Imagine a mountain lake, serene and reflective, even as a storm rages around it. This inner peace remains unshaken, no matter what storms arise in your life. You navigate challenges with grace and resilience, knowing you are supported by the universe. Embrace this inner peace as your guiding light through life's journey. In the fifth dimension, love is the very fabric of existence, and you naturally prioritize love and forgiveness. Grudges and resentment fall away, replaced by understanding that everyone is on their unique journey. Forgiveness liberates you from the pain of the past, recognizing that holding on to anger only poisons your heart. Love in the fifth dimension is boundless and radiant, touching the lives of everyone you encounter. As you lead with love, you become a catalyst for healing and transformation. Inspire others to open their hearts and embrace the interconnectedness of all beings. As you awaken to the fifth dimension, you may find yourself drawn to experiences, people, and environments that resonate with a higher vibration. This shift in consciousness often brings a profound change in your preferences and desires. You start to seek out places that exude peace and tranquility, like serene mountain landscapes or tranquil beach sunsets. These environments help you connect with your inner self and elevate your energy. You crave authenticity, depth, and meaning in all aspects of your life. Superficial interactions and activities no longer satisfy you. Instead, you find joy in creative pursuits like painting, engaging in deep conversations with friends in nature, or practicing yoga at sunrise. These activities bring a sense of fulfillment and align with your higher vibration. Activities that once brought you joy may now feel hollow or unfulfilling. The thrill of amusement parks or crowded events might lose their appeal. You may find yourself looking contemplative in a park, seeking solitude and introspection. This is a natural part of your spiritual evolution. You may feel a growing sense of disconnect from relationships or social circles that no longer align with your evolving values. Sitting alone by a lake or walking away from a group of people becomes more appealing as you seek to honor your true self. This journey can be solitary, but it is essential for your growth. Trust your intuition as you navigate this process of alignment, seeking out experiences that nourish your soul. Practicing yoga on a cliffside, meditating by a waterfall, or reading a book in a peaceful garden can provide the solace and inspiration you need. These moments of connection with nature and self are vital for maintaining your higher vibration. Allow yourself to release what no longer serves you and embrace experiences that ignite your spirit. Releasing a lantern into the sky symbolizes letting go of old patterns, while walking along a serene beach or dancing freely in a meadow represents the joy of embracing new, uplifting experiences. Trust this journey and let your higher vibration guide you to a more fulfilling life. In the fifth dimension, your focus shifts from material possessions to inner riches. You appreciate the comforts of the material world, but no longer attach your worth or happiness to possessions. True fulfillment comes from experiences, not objects. This detachment doesn't mean renouncing possessions, but finding a balance between enjoying abundance and not being enslaved by it. Prioritize experiences over possessions, personal growth over material success, and meaningful connections over superficial acquaintances. This shift brings a profound sense of freedom, allowing you to focus on love, connection, purpose, and growth. Synchronicities, those meaningful coincidences, become increasingly prevalent as you align with the fifth dimension. These are not mere chance occurrences, but messages from the universe, guiding you on your path. Pay attention to these synchronicities, they often hold valuable guidance. The more you acknowledge and appreciate them, the more frequently they will occur. Stay open to the possibilities, trust your intuition, and embrace the magic of synchronicities. They are affirmations that you are exactly where you need to be, doing exactly what you're meant to be doing. Living in the fifth dimension is about embracing a higher state of being, rooted in love, unity, and spiritual awareness. Embrace the journey, celebrate your growth, and keep shining your light brightly.